Hey designers, let's create this text animation quickly and easily in After Effects. Create a new composition. Then, use the Type tool to write your text here. I'm going to write, Ace Designs. OK. Now select the font of your choice. I'm going to select this font. Good. Let's align this text on the document. Go to Align, align it vertically and horizontally. Let's decrease the size of the text a bit. So first select the Designs text and decrease the size of it. Let's make it 190. I'm going to decrease the space between the two texts. OK. Now select the Ace text and decrease its size a bit as well. Make it 250. Good. After that, adjust the alignment. Now let's color it. Here I will paste the color code. I think it would look better if we give the Designs text a white color. Cool. These are the basic adjustments, and you can customize the color and font to your liking. Let's now focus on the animation. Go to the Designs layer option. Navigate to Animate and select Position. Here, you'll find all the options. Click on the Add option next to Animator 1. Choose Selector and then Expression. Now, go to Expression Selector 1, then Amount Options. Here, you'll find an existing expression. Replace it with the one I'm providing. I'll include the expression in the description so you can copy it from there and paste it into your document. After pasting, press Enter. Here's how to make it work. Ensure the playhead is on the first frame, then move the text all the way to the top. Now, if you play the animation, you'll see a cool effect. What's interesting about this expression is that even if you move the text downwards and then play it, the same animation occurs. Let's move the text downwards like this. Now, play it, and you'll see. Another thing, if you adjust the X position of the text, like moving it left or right, the same animation will occur when you play it. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment. And please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, thank you.